Have you ever wondered what a successful and productive cleaning business owner does behind the scenes to grow and build a productive and profitable cleaning business? Want to explore? Let's go. Hi, welcome back to Made in Business. Running a cleaning business, or any business for that matter, is hella hard. So what can you do to make sure that you, as the fantastic cleaning business owner you are, runs your business and it does not run you? Let's take a little look behind the scenes in the day of a life of a perfect cleaning business owner. A productive day starts with a productive morning routine.
And no, I'm not talking about one of these crazy routines where you wake up at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the middle of the night and do like a million different things. This is a routine to run your business and for those humans who enjoy to sleep.
Part of running a successful business is looking after yourself and having a good breakfast, because if there is no you, then there is no business. The next thing our successful cleaner business owner is going to do is check over their to-do list and tasks for the day. They are going to have a team briefing and communicate with any of their staff where they're going, what they're doing, and their expectations for the day, and restocking any equipment or products that the cleaners may need. After that, the cleaner business owner is going to check their diary for the day. They are going to look over the quotes that they have booked and the spot checks that they are going to be attending. As a top tip for you, if you are not yet at the stage where you have software that automates and sends out reminders to people, you can do this, and I would strongly suggest you do this by sending out a simple text message to the quotes that you have booked in for that morning. It could be something really simple. Hi, it's Kelly from ABC Cleaning. I have a quote with you at 11 o'clock today. Just making sure that you are still available. This will remind the potential client that you're coming in case they've forgotten. You can reschedule and then you don't waste your own time that day. So our morning tasks are things like restocking, giving out keys and cleaning checklists, answering our emails and our answer phone messages from the night before, looking over our calendar and schedules, planning for our leaflet drops and making sure that we have got a supply with us, planning for our spot checks and making sure we've got clean, fresh forms with us, checking the bank and marking off and chasing payments. If you would like a copy of today's slides to be able to read them in more detail, you will find them on the Made in Business private Facebook group. The link will be in the description. If you would like these slides sent to you with a workbook that contains a little something extra to implement in your business, then you can subscribe to the newsletter, also in the description below. If you are already subscribed to the Made in Business newsletter, you will receive this week's slides and workbook as if by magic on your Sunday download, which is a roundup of all the good posts and content from the week. The afternoons of our cleaning business owner is taken up with overseeing cleans by performing spot checks and ensuring quality control and high standards. Also going to quotes and closing the deal, as well as catching up with our existing clients and staff to make sure that we build strong relationships. We will also be typing up and sending off any quotes that we did from our morning session. As well as our customer and sales driven tasks, there are also many administration tasks to get along with. We are always somewhere in the customer cycle and are always doing tasks within the areas of the cycle. So we are either creating social posts and offers to attract clients and new clean bookings. We are then delivering super duper high quality cleaning services. We are then making sure we are quality controlling the super duper cleaning services by doing spot checks on a regular basis to make sure that our standards stay consistent and they always stay high. And then we are taking client payments and rebooking the service. We're also going to be booking in quotes, replying to voicemail messages, sending out any cleaning schedules, sending out client invoices, running our payroll, and doing our social media creation and scheduling. And at the end of the working day, when all the super duper cleans have been delivered, they've all been spot checks, clients have paid, you've booked in your quotes for tomorrow, you've gone back and sent the quotes that you did for today, we are going to reflect. Ending the business day with reflection will allow the cleaner business owner to assess what went well, what didn't, and what could be done differently. Doing this on a regular basis will help you see if there's any patterns where things go wrong and need fixing. It can also help you see things that are going super duper well, not to touch them, leave them alone. And it can also see where you are spending your time and whether your time could be spent better somewhere else, because planning for tomorrow means reflecting on today. If you have been in a Made in Business world for the past couple of weeks, you will know that I have a startup free challenge. So this is for people who are thinking about starting a cleaning business, people that are perhaps started a cleaning business or around and are making less than 30 grand a year, or for seasoned business owners that just want to make sure that their foundation is as solid as it should be. However, if you are a business who is earning over 30,000 but has not yet cracked that illustrious 6-figure revenue, has not yet gone VAT registered or gone limited, I am creating a new challenge called the Glow Up Challenge to get you seasoned business owners to 6 figures and beyond, to get you VAT registered, to get you limited and have all your policies and your health and safety and all that sexy stuff set up. If this is somewhere where your business is now, drop me a purple heart in the comments below and I will come back to you with the sign up form. If you would like to receive the slides or the workbook and join the free community, all the links that you need will be below. If you want to find out more about Made in Business, watch this video that YouTube thinks that you would like next. I will be here next Wednesday. Until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.